Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you something that you may not know about that is available on your Mercedes-Benz vehicle. And it has to do with the MBUX system, or the Mercedes-Benz user experience. And what it is animations. Let's just say maybe you want to know how a particular feature works on your vehicle and you're trying to find out. You don't have to go to YouTube. You don't have to call the dealership. This is all you have to do. Okay guys, once you're in your Mercedes-Benz vehicle with the MBUX system, you're going to scroll over to Info. You're going to select Operator's Manual. Let's do that one more time. There we go. It's going to get there in just a second. Scroll down to Animations and look at everything you have here. Basically anything you want to know about as far as the features and functionality of your Mercedes-Benz vehicle is going to be right here. And here's all you have to do. I selected that. You just let it play.
Active Steering Assist helps the driver keep the vehicle in the center of the lane by means of moderate steering interventions when the driver has both hands on the steering wheel.
Now, to keep from overloading you with a video that's too long, guys, I'm not going to play that entire animation. But as you can see, anything you want to know is right here within the vehicle itself. So tell me down in the comments, guys, is this something you did not know that your Mercedes-Benz vehicle had? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I'll have a whole lot more like this coming. I appreciate my friends here at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport for the use of the vehicles here at the dealership to bring these tutorials to you. Tell me what you want to know about. I'll put it on video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a good day, guys.